Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today we're taking a look at a cordless handheld vacuum from Agaro, the Agaro Supreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. Let's see how well it performs. Included with the vacuum are a manual, a warranty card, a motorized rolling brush, a mattress brush which is also motorized, crevice nozzle for hard to reach corners, multi-purpose brush which acts as a nozzle and a brush, extension tube, an extra filter, charger for the vacuum with a barrel port, wall mount, it can be mounted to a wall using the 3M tape provided or using the screws. And here's the vacuum itself. Looks like a futuristic blaster. We have cordless vacuum cleaner marked here. The Agaro logo here is the battery which is removable. It's a 2000 mAh 29.6 volt lithium ion battery. It pops off like so and can be charged separately. The charging port at the bottom is accessible even when installed in the vacuum, so that's a plus. We cannot use the vacuum while it's charging. We have these LEDs here which indicate if it's charging or not and the current battery level. This trigger here is to stop the vacuum. Press and leave to activate. Press again to stop the vacuum. We don't need to keep it held down. On the battery we have this button to control the suction modes. The battery lasts around 60 minutes in low, 20 minutes in medium power and 8 minutes max in max power mode. Battery takes around 5 hours to recharge. Battery runtime depends on the mode it's set to, and if you keep switching between the modes, the runtime will vary. You might be able to pick up a spare battery to be able to clean for longer. This is the 0.5 litre bagless dust collecting container. We have instructions on how to dismantle it. This push button here is used to empty the container. We'll show you how to do it later in the video. The container also has a filter within which can trap 99.99% of particles, dust and allergens as small as 0.3 microns. An extension tube is provided, but it's not extendable. It's always at a fixed length. One end can take attachments and the extension tube attaches like this. Snap on, and to remove just hold the button here and it pops off just as easily. The non-powered attachments friction fit, so there's no snapping. Slide on and they stay on. Pull to remove. You can also use all the attachments without the need of the extension tube. It's only required for extended reach. Let's start off with the motorized floor brush. It has wheels for more support and the connector can swivel 270 degrees. We have the Agaro branding on top. The motor within pulls the dust and dirt into the path of the suction. The brush provided is a soft brush which is great for most floors. The blue and red accents look really cool. The LEDs in the front light up which helps with cleaning dark areas, especially under the furniture. The brush is powered by the vacuum's battery. The wheels help balance the brush and the angular movement allows for yoga master cleaning moves like these. This is how we can turn the brush around using the main vacuum body. It manages to pick up all kinds of debris. Very big particles didn't fit, but were removable using the multi-brush. The entire brush can be removed from the enclosure by unlocking it and once cleaned can be placed back into the motorized enclosure. Next we have the motorized upholstery brush. It uses the same concept as the main brush and is powered too, but is in a smaller form factor. The front can conform to what you're cleaning and gives a good seal for better suction. It's great for beds, sofas, curtains and any upholstery. Crevice nozzle. The long nozzle allows reaching into narrow, hard to reach places, allowing for a good cleaning. It's also useful to get rid of those pesky spider webs. No need to scout for a ladder, the extension rod and this nozzle is enough. It can also be used for the windowsills, between sofas, car seats and more. The 2-in-1 brush, this one has two modes. Holding down the button on top, the brush moves down, revealing a nozzle. The brush is good for cleaning delicate items like keyboards, windows, blinds, car seats, couches and curtains. Wall corners can also be cleaned using the nozzle mode. The vacuum is rated at 25 kPa using a 400 watt powerful brushless motor. The vacuum cleaner has a bagless design and comes with a fixed dustbin that has 0.5 liters or 500 ml capacity. Emptying is easy, pull back on the lever here, pull the container up, tap on the button and it opens up, emptying the contents below. Make sure it's above a dustbin before you hit the button. The entire container also comes off, which provides access to the filter and clean any debris which might be stuck in there. The filter can be twisted to remove and clean. There is a sponge filter within and this needs to be cleaned occasionally, as if it gets clogged, the suction power of the vacuum lowers. So regular maintenance is required and is true for any vacuum. The filters and the bin can be washed, but make sure it's completely dry before installing it back into the vacuum. This is the provided wall mount. The vacuum should sit on top like this. The Agaro Supreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner looks premium. The colors and finish are very reminiscent of another brand that shall not be named. Dustbin size is only 0.5 liters or 500 ml. It can be emptied easily, so the small dustbin should not bother too much, but it's something to note. Battery life in eco mode is 60 minutes. It's very good. It would have been great if Agaro had included a spare battery, but sadly they have not. But it might be available separately. The number of attachments provided are standard. So what do you guys think of the Agaro Supreme Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner? Is it worth it? Comment below. So that was the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.